No, no, this one, nahi. This
The
one.
other one, yes.
You can. My leg is break. For that, ring ring.
You will have to take it to the doctor, I mean the mechanic. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and welcome to the class.
Walaikum assalam.
Zain, you
Yes,
was
sir.
telling me something?
Sir,
Oh,
I
I'm
am.
not coming. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, my bike. I can telling you my bike
Oh, you tell me
thing.
about anything
Okay.
that happened to you.
Sir, my bike is now. First, I can pray in 3 hours starting, and when I can start my bike, then he was 3 and 400 kicks starting my bike.
300 and 400 kicks.
Yes, because
So,
the bike my father's my grandfathers give to me.
grandfather. So it's your grandfather's bike.
Yes.
Who gifted it to your father, and your father
No,
gifted it to
no.
you?
He is directly give it to me.
Okay, your grandfather directly gifted the bike to you.
Yes.
Okay. So when did he gifted you the bike?
Uh, 2 hours is gone.
No.
That 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Two
Of
years
course.
ago. Okay.
Yes, 2
Or
years
2 years
ago.
back. You
2
can say
years.
that. Okay. 2 years ago,
2
he
years.
gifted me the bike.
Yes.
And is your granddad alive? Is he?
No, no.
Is he alive or he has passed away?
That is my father's uncle,
Okay. Okay. Yes.
and he is alive. But my real grandfather is dead like 40 years ago.
Okay. He died 40 years ago. He passed away 40 years ago. Okay. Okay. So you were kind of saying that your bike needs at least 300 to 400 kicks
Yes.
to get start. Okay.
Of course.
Okay. And what you do before that? You were telling me something.
3 hours prayer.
Prayer. So are you getting him? Listen. What is he saying? Repeat, please.
3 hour prayer.
What is he saying? They are not getting. They are getting. Oh yeah, no, I understand it, but I want him to improve at the sentence. Okay. You have to make them understand what do you want to say.
What I want to say.
Repeat it, please. Just repeat it.
3 hour pray.
Fully repeat them. I mean, what
All
you have to
sentence.
do
First,
before starting your bike.
first I can starting the pray 3 and 4 hours, and
Yes,
then
prayer. He would pray that his bike gets started. So he will pray for that for 3 hours. It 3 hours doesn't mean fully 3 hours, but it means he will have to pray for a long time. Okay.
I can try to start, and they are start on 3 and 400 kicks.
3 and 400. Aren't they too much? 3 and 400. I mean, it would take at least.
My leg is break. For that, ring ring.
Okay, you got your, you would say, I got my leg almost broken. Okay.
Almost.
Yes.
No, no, this one, nahi. This
The other
one.
one, yes.
You can sit in the
Okay, you can press my right.
right leg,
Yes, right leg.
and my bike is.
So
I very.
what we say? Press it. Okay. दबाने को क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं, massage is something else. Massage is if you are applying oil and then rubbing it. So that is massage. But if you are just pressing, हम इसको चापी पश्तो में बोलते हैं, पता नहीं उर्दू में आप दबाना बोलते हैं ना, मेरे पैर दबाओ. So दबाने को बोलते हैं pressing. दबाना. Will you please press my legs? ये simple लफ्ज़ है. Special words कोई हो सकता है. There might be some special word, but pressing is okay. People will understand what you are trying to say.
But
Okay?
but I very like my bike because I have a one single bike.
That is your first bike. First bike.
You
That's
explain
my
it.
first bike, and that is the whole thing. I have the own.
You are the whole soul owner of this bike, okay?
Honor.
And it is your whole property. You have nothing else,
Yes,
okay?
of
In your
course.
property. So you very much like it.
Yes.
He wants to say that I like my bike very much, although I have to pray for 3 hours before starting it, and it needs at least 300 to 400 kicks. But still, I like my bike because I just have that thing in my ownership and nothing else. Okay, so I have to take care of that bike. We are hoping for you for your bike to get better. Okay, you will have to take it to the doctor. I mean the mechanic. Okay, are you getting me? The
Yes, of
doctor of the
course,
bike. Okay,
of
na?
course.
It's a machine, so its doctor is actually a mechanic. So you would have to take that to the mechanic and pay him some money. Okay, because he
Sir,
would not
I
do
know,
anything in free.
but I can not seen. I can actually 3 to 4 months ago to go the tuning side.
So the tuning work or it didn't work?
Did it?
So the bike got better of the tuning.
Yes,
Then
of course.
you should have taken the bike for the tuning for the second time as well. You can do the tuning at your home as well. You have to open up the chain cover and apply some oil. First you have to remove the already applied dust. Okay, wash the chain with the kerosene or with the petrol or something. Yes, whatever. I mean, you can apply that and you can make it clean and then apply some kerosene or diesel or especially the oil, engine oil. You can apply that to the chain and you can open up the engine a little bit if you can do that. I mean, not the engine, the outer cover, and you have to remove the dust from there.
Side tapa.
Yes, the side taba. Okay, so you can do that. So that is tuning.
Okay.
Okay, you can do that at home. Oh, no, engine tuning you cannot do. You can, if, in fact, if you have a little bit of experience, you can watch from YouTube, and if you have got the
I have.
screws, if you got the screws, I mean, the panas and all those things.
I have.
We use a special word for that. I mean, yes, I was
Tools.
Instrument. If you
Tool.
have, yes, tools. If you have the tools, the toolkit. If you got the toolkit, then you can do the tuning by yourself. Although it will be kind of difficult for the first time when you do that, but after you do that for the first and second time, but take care of the bike. I mean, it may not go dead. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. You should take care of that. So now I think you should hand over the mic to someone else so that they may also talk.